All right, I'm at a loss here. This was a working meter. Had the original Victorine corotron tube in it. The tube is good. It's still got enough radioactivity left in it to self-excite, regulate voltage. That's besides the point. We installed 916 volt linear diode sets right there. We installed a new rectifier. The selenium one is down there. Kind of out of ideas here. This was still good. So placed it with that diode, with the linear set pack in here. And the same problem still exists. Turn it on, it'll just peg out. When you turn it off, it'll stay charged on the meter cap for days. It'll slowly back off, see? It just buzzes. If I remove the Geiger-Müller tube, it still does it. If I remove the coax, the ground, it quits buzzing, but the needle still pegs out, but it makes a slight popping. So, I don't know, I'm visiting my parents out here, and I had a project. This was one of my projects. Got one of them working. This one still has a corotron tube. It works fine. And, I'll do it and put the other linear pack in it, 917. Replace the silenium rectifier. So I'm at a loss here. Good batteries, everything. Pegs out. Remove the tube, does the same exact thing. So I'm at a loss. If anybody has an idea,